This is the HHJ car vent mount phone holder. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the quick start guide and the user manual. You get the holder itself as well as the vent mount. And this may look a little strange. I'm going to show you how it all works right now. Now we're all familiar with the old style vent mounts where it was basically two fingers. Here's the slat of your vent and it went like that. And then you had a little thing you'd put, to turn on there, and that would lock it down. And it had two positions, the thick position and the thin position. And the problem was one side worked but didn't fit snugly enough, and the other side you couldn't even lock it down because the slats in your vent were too thick. Not a problem. With the HHJ mount, totally different solution. Looks strange. You got this thing sticking out long, and then this piece, what is it? How does it work? You see that? As you turn, that is going to hook on one side of the slat from the back, and the rest of the slat will go in there. So as you do that, it's going to lock it down to the slat. Can't slip off, can't fall out. Really, really nice. Anyways, what we're going to do is now mount this to here. And to do that, we're going to unscrew this piece and slip that over the ball that's there like that. Now, you just push the ball in till it snaps in, just like that, and screw that down like that. And now you'll see that you can rotate this, bend it, turn it. So if you want landscape or portrait mode, you can do that any which way you want. If it's a little too tight, you can loosen it up just a bit, so this way it'll turn a little easier, like that. And as far as the mount itself, let me get the phone to put in here. This here says pull down, and that's because the bottom feet on it can do that. And there's different positions, so this way it'll account for taller phones as such. As far as the arms, there's a button on the back right over here that you press to release, and they pop out. So you take your phone, let's see, I'm going to pull this down for this phone. It'll center it a little bit better, just like that. So this is how you'd have it mounted to your vent. Slip the phone in, squeeze it, and it holds your phone in, and it won't fall out. Simple like that. And notice you still have room to plug your charger cable in. Let's go take this out to the car and mount it. So there's really not much to it. I'm just going to stick it in like that and turn the back, and it'll stop turning, and it's mounted. That's it. That's all there is to it right there. I'll open that up. I'll extend that out. I can take my phone and put it in, and that'll hold it. If you want landscape, you got it. It'll just hold it right there. Nice and sturdy. Really hangs on to it pretty well, so you can put it any way you want. And if you want to do your charging cable, you can plug that right in. So it works very, very well. And I like this new design where it grips the slat on the vent instead of just hoping to hold on, and then, when things expand and contract in the cold and the hot, it falls off anyway, and then you lose your expensive phone once it lands screen down on the shift knob. So all around, an excellent phone holder that works great from HHJ. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.